red or blue, I'm here for you. Whether you're pushing buttons because you know what they do, or you're just figuring it out as you go, I'm glad you joined me for another episode of Coffee with Dubs. Press away. You know, one of the strangest things about progress is that sometimes you don't realize how far you've come till you stop long enough to look behind you. Today's my second day off, and I've been spending most of my day getting things in order before heading back into another long work week. The weather's been crazy, and there's some more interesting things happening with it soon, too. The heat, the storms, who else knows what's going to roll in the next couple days. So, I'm using my time wisely while I still have it. Still haven't gotten my walk in this morning, and the dogs haven't gotten their exercise either. And if you're anywhere near New Jersey, you already know why. The heat's not playing around, and by the time people are actually getting out of their house and getting the day started, the temperature's already climbing up to the point where, if you look right here, I mean, it's not about enjoyment anymore. It's about endurance, guys. And honestly, it's been reminding me of some important things lately. Hydration's not exciting. Preparation's boring as hell, and maintenance is kind of mundane. Nobody posts a victory lap because you drank enough water. Nobody's throwing you a party because you stretched before a workout or got enough sleep the night before. But it's amazing how often things that keep us functioning are the same as things we tend to overlook. We're conditioned to celebrate big moments, the promotion, the finished project, the milestone. But these moments are usually built on hundreds of small decisions no one ever sees. The mural doesn't suddenly appear. A healthy body doesn't suddenly appear. A strong mindset doesn't suddenly appear. They're built through repetition, through maintenance, through showing up consistently enough that eventually the work becomes visible. And today I had one of those moments where the work became visible. The mural is finally completely lined. Every major section, every building, every scene, every detail that needed to be committed to ink has finally made the jump from sketch to permanence. Now it's ready for the town. And honestly, standing back and looking at it, I realize how easy it is to focus on what's left instead of what's already been accomplished. Because that's what our brains do. We see unfinished sections, the next responsibility, the next challenge, the next thing demanding our attention. Meanwhile, we completely overlook the fact that we already climbed a mountain and planted a flag and we're standing there. I think people do this with lives all the time. They focus so much on the next goal that they never stop to appreciate the progress they've already made. They forget who they used to be. They forget what they survived. They forget that they have been through so many days and worked through them already. And because of that, they accidentally convince themselves that they're standing still when they're actually moving forward. Maybe not as quickly as they'd like, maybe not as dramatically as they'd prefer, but forward nonetheless. That's why I think days like today matter. Not because they're extraordinary, but because they're ordinary. They're maintenance days, preparation days, hydration days, a day to reset. The days where you quietly put things in order before you move on to the next season. And the truth is, some of the most important growth happens in life during those periods. Not when you're sprinting, not when everybody's watching, not when you're on stage waiting to celebrate a victory, but when you're quietly preparing yourself for what comes next. Because eventually, the storm shows up, the week gets busy, and unexpected problems are going to appear. And when that pressure increases, you don't have to rise to your level of hope. You can fall back on your level of preparation. And that's true physically, emotionally, and mentally. So today, if you're listening to this, here's your reminder. Drink the damn water. Take the damn walk. Handle the small responsibilities and celebrate your progress that you've made. And don't underestimate the power of preparation, because success isn't built during that moment everybody notices. Success is usually built during the quiet days when nobody's paying attention except you. And sometimes the strongest thing you can do is use those days wisely before the next chapter begins. That's why we're here. It's time to take care of this. I will see you tomorrow on another episode of Coffee with Dubs. It's time to go get cut. I'll catch you later.